All right, YouTube peeps, we're on Q25 Wednesday. We got Jacobo, has 296, 298 baseball cards. About how many when you see about how many, that's a estimation problem, round to the nearest 100, 298. All right, 298, we're rounding to the nearest 100. That means we put a box over the hundreds place, underline the digit to the right. If it's 5 or higher, we round up. 4 or lower, we round down. It is a 9, so it's 5 or higher. So the box gets rounded up to the next highest 100s place, which is the 3. There's 700 paper clips. 486 get used. How many are left? 7 honey minus 486. We're going old school place value strategy. Okay, can I take away 6 from somebody that has nothing? No. Got to look to the rich neighbor, but the rich neighbor doesn't have anything to spare either. So we're borrowing all the way across, right? Then you got to borrow from the 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Running out of space here. 9 minus 8 is 1. 6 minus 4, 2. 214. Next problem, we got Mrs. Sanders would like to give each of her class 3 cookies. 25 students times 3. 25 is a nice number because most third graders are familiar with quarters. If I have 3 quarters, how much money do I have? I have 75 cents. So that's one way to do it. Another way to do it would be to do 25 plus 25 plus 25. And then you could skip count. Or you could go, I know that's 50 cents. 50 plus 25 is 75. You could do the area model, and you do 25 times 3, the area model. We're breaking apart 25 into 20 and 5. 3 times 20 is 60. 3 times 5 is 15. And then you got to do 60 plus 15 is 75. That's called the area model. All right, let's see. Let me zoom in. Find the missing number. 2 times what is 14? Get your multiplication chart out. 2 times what is 14? Put your pen on the 2 or the 7. 2 times what is 14? Oops, no, 7 times what is 14? What are we doing? Oh, 2 times what is 14? So you want to put it on the 2. Come down, find the 14, which is right there. Come across to find the answer, 7. 4 times 8 is 32. On Dan's trip to Disney World, he went on 12 rides the first day, 10 the second. On Jason's trip, 8 the first day. Who went on more? Okay. So we have D for Dan equals 12 plus 10. Jason's trip, he went 8 plus 18. See how Mr. Pasafume is making notes. D and a J. D for Dan. J for Jason. 12 plus 10, 22 for Dan. 8 plus 18, 26 for Jason. Jason went on more rides. See how Mr. Pasafume is organized with his notes? He's labeling things, keeping it clean. All right, length times width. So all we're doing is 8 times 6 is 48 centimeters squared. For the test, though, you just need to know 48. 48. All right, hopefully that helps you with your Q25 Wednesday's homework.